What's up, Dynamite? It's Kenny from Dynamic Reactions, and we are here for My Hero Academia, Season 5, Episode 97. I'm just gonna say that because I'm tired of counting episodes. Early bird. It's Bakugo time. This is gonna be chaotic. This is gonna be crazy. We already had a head-to-head match last couple of episodes, so I'm interested to see what we're going to do here. How Bakugo, how everybody on his team has grown, because this is an interesting team up to me. So without further ado, let's get into this reaction. 4 reactions are on Patreon, starting at that $4 tier. Let's do it. Ooh, he's interesting. Early bird gets the worm. There's the episode name. It's a tie. Oh my god, Deku's the next couple of episodes. Sir, please. He's going overboard with his love. That is both freaky and amazing. Bakugo, yep. Blow him out. Bakugo! Oh my god! Oh my god. Bakugo's being smart. Yes! Teamwork! Come on, Bakugo. This is good strategy. The tape! Oh! 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 Let's go! Holy crap. Bro, we have 9 minutes left. Bakugo did so good. Oh my god, that was beautiful. Y'all did so amazing. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. He said I'm not in your way though. Oh my god. Oh my god, they're like siblings. Your turn. Yeah. Thanks. Deku and them going up against Crazy. I can't wait to see what his quirk is. Oh, right. He can copy quirks. Would his body be able to take All for One, though, is the question. Can All for One be copied like that? Okay. So something strange starts happening to Izuku in the middle of the fight, which means All for One is growing in power and stature inside him. While that's happening, I don't think it's proper for him to be copying that quirk. And also, again, we go back to the point of, is his body strong enough to handle that? Are we going to be going at full power All for One and breaking our bones? Because then you're just going to be dead weight on your team. So I don't know. That sounds like a terrible idea to me, but I guess we will see. I really enjoyed Bakugo's fight, seeing him cooperate with other people and seeing how great they were as a team. Like, that's his character development. He didn't need like a fancy move development. We know that Bakugo is great and he's gonna keep being great. Physically, he needed that like emotional show off for his character development, and it was really cool seeing him finally work together with people and rely on them and still be his crazy self and win the match. But yeah, I really enjoyed that. Thank y'all so much for watching this episode of My Hero Academia with me. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's a free way to support the channel, and I love hearing you guys' thoughts, so be sure to comment down below. Helps us in the algorithm as well, so our channel can grow. If you want to support the channel monetarily, you can do so through the CASHAPP, PayPal, VENMO links in the description, as well as checking out the Patreon. Special shout out to my patrons, my mother, and Sophie. Their support is so appreciated, as is yours. Also, don't forget, we're live on Twitch every single Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 12 p.m. Eastern. So be sure to check out that link in the description as well. And I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.